I've been going back and forth with my person on Fiverr. It's not going well. I think there's a little bit of a language barrier. I didn't quite get what I was anticipating. So I'll finish what I was doing and get it out to you guys as quickly as possible. Quickly want to talk about savings accounts. Your typical banks have savings accounts earning 0.01%, maybe 0.04%. Our inflation rate is at 2.8%. So technically you're losing money every single day. What we've done is we've moved to an online banking services where they have no physical locations. So their overhead is much less, being able to provide a higher interest rate back to the customers. I have 5 banks listed here that are all 3.8 or above on interest rates. We've got CIT Bank at 4.1%. They do have a high minimum balance of $5,000. SoFi Bank is at 3.8% with a $0 balance. Open Bank, 4.4% with a $500 minimum balance. Barclays at a 4.15% with zero minimum balance. And Forbright Bank with 4.25% with zero minimum balance. And all those banks are insured by the FDIC, just like all traditional banks, up to $250,000 per person. So if your joint account, you are actually insured up to $500,000. If you have a big enough savings account where you need to be insured above that, there are ways to increase that amount. There are other avenues you can take if you have a very large savings account, whether it's for a long period of time, short period of time, doesn't matter, and you want to make sure it's insured for over the $500,000. You can get with one of these fintech companies. It's not technically a bank. The fintech company, they work as a broker. They're regulated as an investment advisor. They are able to insure at a much higher level. For example, there's one called Betterment, 4% APY with no minimums, but they can insure your money up to $2 million, $4 million for a joint account. And then Wealthfront, another 4%, zero minimums, but they can insure it all the way from $4 million for a single, $8 million for a joint account. Bottom line, if you have your money in a savings account with one of these traditional brick and mortars, do your research, look into online banking where they have little to no overhead and they are able to get you a much higher return on your savings account. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please comment and see you on the next video.